really do seem to have a superpower, while others aren't worth the hype. But when it comes to extra virgin coconut oil, there have been claims floating around that it has this wonderful ability to help reduce belly fat. Now, wouldn't we all like a magic pill for that? Some experts say it's just another cooking fat, but a healthy one. So what's the real answer here? Well, we went straight to the source, medical professionals, and here's what we found out. Hack number 1. Several studies, including one in the medical journal Lipids, has shown that coconut oil helps people burn more belly fat than other plant-based oils. Coconut oil is made up of MCFAs, or medium-chain fatty acids, which are either metabolized straight away for energy or go directly to the liver, which means they are less likely to be stored in the body as fat. Hack number 2, coconut oil is thermogenic. One study shows that eating 1 to 2 tablespoons of extra virgin coconut oil may help you burn 5% more calories a day, giving your metabolism that extra boost it needs. Hack number 3, extra virgin coconut oil has other great benefits too. It's a moisturizer, it promotes healthy teeth and gums, and has antifungal properties. Hack number 4, coconut oil can be eaten raw. You can put it in your smoothies, salad dressing, in your morning coffee, or you can bake it into your favorite desserts. So there you have it. I'm Kiara, and I'll catch you next time.